What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Josh121 back with another video, and this time I am home back in my room. Now listen, today I'm gonna give y'all a video, a little quick tip on how to make the perfect thumbnail if you're a YouTuber just like me, or want to become get more attractions to your video. How to get that white outline. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it real quick, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, now I'm screen recording on my phone, and what you want to do is just download Picsart. I think that's what it's called, Picsart. So you just want to download it. I already downloaded it, so I'm gonna just open it real quick. So Picsart is open. So what you want to do is just, you could download a background on Google real quick, which is this one. I had downloaded this one, a little mansion, dream home. And then you want to go down to tools, press crop, and then at the bottom where it has the different ratios, you want to go all the way to the right at the end and press YouTube, because YouTube, you have to put in a certain size for the thumbnail on YouTube. Simple, right? And you want to press that OK. And then you're going to add a photo. So I already did one, but I'm gonna do like the same one and just redo it. And I choose that one, so it just pops up there. You could resize it, put it anywhere you like, put it in a certain area. But then once you got the right photo that you want and stuff like that, you put the size and all that good stuff. You go at the bottom and you go down to cutout. You go down to cutout, it's gonna come up even bigger on its own. So you could just cut the whatever you want, your face, your thumbnail, whatever you want out. So what I'm gonna do is just zoom in, and I'm gonna do it manually real quick, so this might take some time to draw the outline and stuff like that, so bear with me. And then boom, and press the arrow. Yep. And as you can see, they kind of got me in all red. They got me in all red, so that's to let me know what they have. But I think I got, oh no, and press save. And then boom, now I'm cut out. As you can see, I'm cut out, and now I could just put myself anywhere. I'll put myself on the side, keep it at the side. And then I'll go down to the bottom and press border. And as you can see, the white line pops up perfectly right around my face, everything. And I could put it like thicker, thinner. I'll put it just like that. You could even change the color to red, whatever. I'm gonna keep it white though. Let me keep it white. And press the OK. And once you got that done, you could put add text. Since my background is a mansion, I'm gonna put my future. Nah. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna cap. Oh, how to make the perfect thumbnails plus a white outline. Plus white outline, and boom. And you could Put it over here. I'm gonna put it up here. I should have used a different photo because I already have this same thumbnail on a on a different video, but now you could choose the different types of fonts that you want. Oh, I like this one. I'm gonna change the color though. So like, to red. Put it down. And then boom, just like that. Just like that, you got a perfect thumbnail. A good thumbnail. You could do whatever you want with it. There's so much you could do on Picsart. And then save. And then download again. And boom, now I have now I got a thumbnail for my YouTube. Perfect. Perfect. Now the benefit of that is people will be more drawn to your videos. You know, they might click. You know, clickbait with the thumbnail, not clickbait with the video. Clickbait with the thumbnail. That's how people are gonna, you know, click on your videos more often. They're gonna. You can use a certain font, a certain type of you know, color in your thumbnail, so people will know, oh, that's, you know, Josh121. He does that in his videos. Let me click on his videos. Once people start to get used to that, to like knowing your style, your niche, then they're gonna, you know, click on your videos back to back to back to back, and they're gonna know who you are. So yeah, so that is it for the video. That's a little trick to let you know how to make a thumbnail on Picsart. I totally did not know how to do that. I had watched a video, somebody used Canva, and they said you gotta, like, you know, screenshot the photo and then resize it. I don't know, it was even harder. This seemed way more easier, way more better. I actually got the inspiration from another YouTuber that I had watched that did the same type of video that I'm putting out right now, that I'm explaining to you guys right now. She did it so perfectly. I'm gonna put that video link in the description because that helped me out so much. It saved so much time. But anyways, that's it for the video. It's your boy Josh121. I'm at 11 minutes and 10 seconds right now. 11 now. And yeah, it's your boy Josh121. I'll see you later.